Hey there, I'm back with the second part of the mid-century jewelry box. And the first thing I'd like to show you is this other Monet chain that I have with a really beautiful clasp, a textured twisted cable link, and this tight textured curb link chains set. So that's a triple chain necklace in great condition. Very beautiful. That's an earlier piece than the other one. We know that because of the clasp, and it is in exceptional condition. Okay, so there's that. I don't remember the length. You can find it in the description box. But that's a very pretty chain. Again, as always, you should email me if you're interested in any of the pieces you see in this video or other videos. And there will be a sold list in the comments. I always make a sold list. So email me at heartwings1123@gmail.com. That information is also in the description box. I'll need a timestamp or a screenshot of the items that you are interested in and the name of this video. That helps me find the piece right away and know that I've sold it or not. Okay, so let's open up the box. What's inside? Lots of Monet earrings and some Trafaris. But first, let's look at this information. It says that this jewelry box is a Farrington jewelry box, which was a very popular brand. The New Horizon in ivory for $7.95. This box was $7.95 once upon a time. As far as I know, I have the only one in existence. I'm sure there's more, but I have the only one on the internet. And it's very cool and in fantastic condition. There's a little flaw right there, which I don't know how that happened. It looks like ink from the print, but I don't know for sure. Anyway, let's get to the jewelry, right? Okay, so recently I got these in a jewelry jar. They're beautiful 80s Monets. Just excellent condition. I mean, perfect. The pearls are good too. There's nothing on them. So those are beautiful. And then I have this unsigned brooch with a glass faceted stone on there. It's Brutalist. It's really nice. Really good brooch. Okay, and then Monet earrings. Let's see, I have these two little ones first. Woo! Jumping out of my fingers. Yep, nice cute little half hoop kind of style. Signed Monet. There's two of those. What happened to that other one? It just jumped out of my fingers. Where did you go, you little trickster? Okay. There's those. And then I have the flames. They're a flame shape, so I call them the flames, even though they're black. Also signed Monets. Beautiful. I love these. These are my favorite ones. I sold the gold discs. Here's some Trafaris. Really pretty. Excellent condition. Trafari. Yeah, Trafari. And then these guys. Bumblefingers here. Those are beautiful, huh? From the 80s for sure, with this snake chain. Really shiny, yellowy gold. Very nice. And pretty much in perfect condition. Nothing wrong with these anywhere. And then these are acrylic, but they look like glass. They're really nice. Also, I can't find these anywhere. These ones, I found the necklace that goes with these on eBay, I think. It's like a snake chain necklace with, it's like 2 loops that knot in the center. It's a choker. And I think it has some, like a solid gold piece on it somewhere like that. So it would go perfect with these. And then I did find this style in a brooch on eBay. I think the brooch might be made of glass, but these are acrylic. They're in perfect condition. And they are signed with that late 70s, 80s Monet signature right there. Let me zoom in a little bit on it. There it is. Monet. So there's those. And then there's these cool stars. These are just gold tone stars with a lightweight clip-on back. They're very comfortable. I did wear them. Like those. Those are nice. They have like a matte gold look, whereas this is a very deep, yellowy, rich gold. This is a lighter gold. See that slight difference? And those are just unmarked. Nice 1980s stars. And then there's the Christian Dior's, which are a very light gold look. Like these have that intense 14 karat looking gold, and then these are like a little bit lighter. And those are Christian Dior's. And they have really nice clip backs. So that's all the cool stuff in there. Lots of earrings. Oh, and then I have a really, really long Monet chain. This one is 55 inches. Beautiful triple link rope. gorgeous, gorgeous necklace. You can definitely triple this. And it's a little bit lighter as well. You can see that's very yellowy, and this one has that beigey look. So here, I'll switch them up. Like I said, this one can be tripled. There's it doubled. And there it is doubled. Let me, I'll do it back here and then I'll set it up. Okay, hold on. Really beautiful. It's textured. And you can wear it with a brooch. Or you can wear it with pearls. Yeah, so that's everything I've got right now in the mid-century to 70s kind of jewelry. Let me know if you want anything. We have gold chains galore. Okay. See you soon. Thanks for watching.